So we finally have a date set for the first token burn for fetchai, or Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, ASI Crypto. So we're going to talk about that in this video and what it also means for the price of the coin. So let's jump into it. Make sure you guys hit the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, or follow me on X if you're watching over there. I put out these updates on FET all the time, and I'm going to keep you guys up to date as best I can. So as we can see here, Humayun is the CEO of fetchai, one of the founders. And he says that the first burn of 5 million FET will be on the 10th of January 2025. So he basically, that was the statement. And we're going to take a look at some more information here, as well as some price action. So we'll jump over here, take a look at CoinMarketCap right now, sitting just below that $1.50 mark. In my opinion, I think we need to get above there. We need to, there's a ton of, a ton of momentum right now for AI coins. And I think that this is just the beginning of our push up here. So let's take a look at some analysis here as well. So the planned burn of 5 million FET tokens in January aims to reduce the supply. So what does this really mean? Well, because that they've merged with other three other companies, we've got AGIX or SingularityNet, Ocean Protocol, and Kudos have all merged together into FET, and it basically added a lot of supply. And investors and early investors and holders are a little bit annoyed with the amount of supply increase that has happened for FET, and without really helping the price, right? So they're trying to do something here to kind of kickstart the community really into kind of believing again. And I don't really want to use the term believing, but having more faith in the project, I guess, is what I want to say. And they're going to do some of this through burns, and they're not just burning to burn coins, right? What they're doing is they're having an earn and burn mechanism. So it's going to be a portion of income that ASI, the Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, creates. When they create revenue, they're going to take a portion of that and they're going to use it in token burns. So basically reduce some of the supply. So could this be helpful for the coin to eventually hit the $3 mark here soon? I think so. I think this is going to rejuvenate a lot of interest in the coin. So fetchai's co-founder, like I mentioned, Humayun, he announced that the significant 5 million FET burn is scheduled to take place on January the 10th. So this is expected to enhance their value by creating scarcity in the market. So obviously less tokens are available. It's going to drive the price up, is basically what's going to happen. They have led to increased demand for remaining tokens and driving up prices. This signals a strong commitment to improving long-term value for the ecosystem. I agree with that 100%. So that just goes on to talk about the merger and how everybody kind of came together to form the alliance. But as the FET token burn event nears, the market is closely watching the supply's reduction impact on price. How is it really going to affect it? Market expert CW noted that FET recently completed a retest after breaking through the falling wedge pattern. So this suggests a rally could be imminent. FET will reach a target price of about $2.25 since it didn't break the previous lows, is what he is anticipating. Could we see that? I think so. I think it's going to take a little bit of time, but I think, after we get past this $1.50 mark, moving up towards the $2 mark, and is around 225, I think it was, where we actually, that's the price that he mentioned. It was around the 225 mark that we did hit some resistance there last time. So we'll see what happens there. Another analyst named Scient has shared a chart for FET's price, which indicates a potential rally of the crypto to about $3. So we can see that here on their chart. Obviously, the recent surge in interest on AI coins has been happening. NVIDIA has also been going up, some AI tech coins and such, and expectations for price growth are increasing in the coming weeks. So we could potentially see a bump here. And what I'm anticipating too, guys, is that this burn comes right before President-elect Trump becomes inaugurated and basically takes office on the 20th. So we could potentially see some more positive price action because of that as well. So we have the burn, and then we have obviously Trump taking office, Gary Gensler stepping down, a whole bunch of pro-crypto people are going to be coming into the U.S. The U.S. administration. So this is going to be a kickoff to something big, in my opinion. I think we're going to see some pretty positive momentum from this. And obviously, I really like FET, and ASI has been one of my #1 projects that I've been paying attention to and bringing you guys the news as well. So make sure you guys stick around, subscribe to the channel, follow me on X as well, and make sure you guys stick around because there's going to be a ton of news coming out for FET. I know their 2025 roadmap seemed a little blah to a lot of people, but they do have a ton on there that they're working towards, and there's going to be a ton of information coming out. I said a ton a lot because that's really what I see from this project, a ton of potential. So that's what I got for you guys in this video. I just want to thank you so much for tuning in. I'm sorry I haven't been around the last couple of days. I have been feeling under the weather. My stepdaughter, we just got back from kind of rescuing her on the side of the road. Her car broke down. Had her kid with her and stuff. So, family stuff going on, and I've just been really busy. But I'm going to try and get back into the groove here for you guys tomorrow. So enjoy this FET video for now, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Peace.